Starbucks Bearista cups are back for a limited time. Here's how to get one. Customers that missed the recent Bearista cup frenzy at Starbucks could have another chance at getting their hands on one this month. The coffeehouse chain just teased the viral cup's return while promoting their annual prize competition, Starbucks for Life. This year's event promises free Starbucks gift cards, handcrafted drinks, bonus stars, and more, with a new opportunity to win something every week. We've definitely got our eyes on the sold-out Bearista cups that caused near chaos after they swiftly disappeared from Starbucks shelves when they dropped last month. The famous Bearista cup made an appearance in an Instagram post Starbucks shared on December 7th. The video appears to promote this year's Starbucks for Life competition, with the caption reading, "Your chances in the Starbucks app. Tomorrow, December 8th. The Starbucks for Life competition opens to Starbucks Rewards members every year with the chance to win an array of free prizes like drinks, bonus stars, gift cards, and even free Starbucks for life. The competition rules state that participants must play once a week, while the promo runs to be entered for a chance to get one free food or beverage item at participating U.S. Starbucks stores for the next 30 years. Starbucks for Life 2025 starts on December 8th in the Starbucks app. No purchase is necessary to participate in this year's Starbucks for Life promotion, but it is only open to members of the Starbucks Rewards loyalty program. As far as the Bearista cup goes, there will be an average of more than 600 Bearista cold cups up for grabs every day, according to Starbucks. If you're looking to finally get your hands on one, now's the time to tap into the competition.